Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the application which is truly loved by readers. It is called the Goodreads. So this is the first look of the application. There are 5 tabs in the application and the first one is the home tab. In this tab you can check out which are the books trending this week, who are all your friends, and which are the books recommended for you. Now let's see what second tab does. My book tab. This is like a virtual shelf of the application. In this tab you can check out which all books you have read before, which all books you want to read, and the progress of the book which you are already reading. Now let me give you a demo. Go to the search bar and type the book you want to read. For example, I suppose Show Your Work. The book appears over here. You can go ahead and click the book. Then it will automatically showcase over here. Suppose you read 50 pages of the book. Go ahead and type 50 over here. Once you do that, it will automatically show the progress which you have already read. After completing the book, you can go ahead and click over here. It will ask you about the rating. If you like it, go ahead and type 5 stars. Once you do that, the book will automatically show the book has already been read by you. Now let's see what the third tab does. The search bar. Here you can see which are the books been read in this week, in this month, in this year. This will basically give you the idea of which books you can read. And also it will help you out with the books you want to choose. Like if you want to read about the romantic book, it will show you the romantic books which have been read. And also you can search whichever book you want, as I showed that before. Now let's see what the fourth tab does. The scan bar. Supposing you are at a friend's place and you want to read this book. Now you just need to scan the bar. Every book has it the same. Just scan it, it will literally show you the book. See. Once you do that, click on this I want to read the book. It will automatically appear in your shelf. Now let's see what the last tab does. It shows your profile. It shows a recommendation. Recommendation is the tab which shows which book you should read. It shows your reading challenges. You can do it with your friends. It shows your friends who are on Goodreads. You can simply add them by Facebook, contacts, or via Gmail. Groups. Currently I don't have any groups, so it will show you haven't joined any group. The events which are going on nearby, it will ask you for the location, which all the events are going nearby. It will showcase it to you. The best book of 2019. So far, which book has been declared as the best book of 2019, which it will be shown here. And basic settings, how you want your text to be shown. That's it. This is Goodreads. Thank you.